Take off. The home point has been updated. Please.
Alright, so last week I went fishing a little bit and I went to fly the drone a bit. Nothing important. It's just a little bit of stuff, just mostly drone stuff. So I'm gonna play that real quick and then I'll get into the next part. So basically, I don't really have anything to upload. Honestly, I've been lazy. I don't have any video, but I found this video, this vlog from a long time ago that I never edited. And basically, I just go to Victor's, and there's a part in there where it shows like when I used to live in the bus. It was from like a year before that. It's really cool, like just like memories basically. So I'll just like react some things on that. I'll show that.
One of them's neck, one of them's neck. Which way should I take? Which way should I take?
Hide in the bush. He hides there. Shoot, is that the last guy?
Yo.
Dude, you gotta kill him, dude. You gotta kill him. Dude. Did he die? Shoot, where is he at? Oh, shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him!
Fuck!
No!
God damn it, son of a bitch! Fuck! Shit!
No, you were second place, Victor!
God damn it!
I was recording!
Son of a... Fuck!
No, it freaking sucks!
Fuck, man! Second
That was
place.
the farthest you've ever got!
Dude, I got that far by just hiding in a bush.
Why did you punch a hole in the wall?
Because I died.
Just on Fortnite, and then you got shot because you had to run to another bush. My brother's about to open his Apple Watch. Oh, Isaiah.
Isaiah's got an Apple Watch.
Woohoo! Isaiah got his Apple Watch. Oh.
This one, let's go. Oh my goodness. That was bad. What just happened? Upside down, trailer on top.
I'm still driving. Oh, it's really windy outside. Oh. Hey. I actually got, turn on both lights here real quick. I got this, 20 bucks. I think it's a pretty good deal for 20 bucks. This thing's cool. These are UST, sort of like a Walmart company. I have a knife to the handle too. It's all one, so it can't break or anything like that. Oh, I'm finally glad I got this. I really like how all my survival stuff's coming out. I'll see you guys in a minute. I don't think I have many subscribers by now, but whatever. I'm uploading my first YouTube video on this channel. Uploading at 1% so far. Playing Assassin's Creed. Got it all good. It was delayed. So yeah, this is my house. I didn't really show you guys this before.
I miss that bus, but I do not miss that voice.
There's the bathroom right here. These are my closets. There's the fridge, table, you know, kitchen, sink, and whatever. This is our drawer for the candies. These are drawers up here. It's my clothes drawer down there. I finally got it organized. It's been so messy. Finally got it organized.
No one cares about your clothes.
Yeah, so that's my house. Organized. Yeah, so that's my house. That's my setup. My setup is here. I have movies here in my house. So I have all the shows here. The movies are back here. And all the Xbox games are on top. And the Blu-ray games are down here in this one row. Or I mean the Blu-ray movies. TV with the touch buttons, but when I touch it, it'll show and stuff.
Oh, I missed the bus, but we're gonna get a new one. One day, mark my words, we will have another bus.
And yeah, got my charger there, plugged into my phone, my little setup. I got my Bluetooth earphones on, remote, phone stand, and yeah, just it. Water and my bug out because I want to go to the woods. It's at 18%. I'm gonna go. Alright, I'm gonna go.
Alright, so pretty much that was it. It's the old video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Just some memories. I'm gonna be back on the road again on Sunday. Today's Thursday. I probably won't upload it. I'll probably upload this tonight, actually. But yeah, I'm trying to keep it a little bit consistent, uploads now, but I just haven't uploaded for a while. So thanks for watching, I guess. I never do this stuff. It just feels weird. Like it, subscribe, because I see you guys. I see the views when no one subscribes. Subscribe, or else you're gay.